Hello students, welcome once again to the Software Engineering and Project Management course. Welcome to lecture 7. In this class, we are going to discuss about another software process model, RAD model. RAD model, Rapid Application Development (RAD), is an incremental software process model that emphasizes a short development cycle. We studied incremental model in the last class. This RAD model is also a type of incremental model. In RAD model, the components or functions are developed in parallel as if they were mini projects. The developments are time bound, delivered, and then assembled into a working prototype. We had studied waterfall model. RAD is a high-speed adaptation of the waterfall model, in which rapid development is achieved by using a component-based construction approach. If requirements are well understood and project scope is constrained, the RAD process enables a development team to create a fully functional system within a short period of time. RAD model consists of different phases such as communication, planning, modeling and construction, and deployment. We know communication is to understand the problem, and planning. During the planning stage, manager decides the multiple software teams to work in parallel on different systems for the development for the rapid application development. In RAD approach, the modeling phase can be business modeling, data modeling, or process modeling. In business modeling, the information flow among business functions is modeled in a way that answers the following questions: what information drives the business process? What information is generated? Who generates it? Where does the information go? Who processes it? All such things are discussed in business modeling. In data modeling, information flow defined as part of the business modeling phase is refined into a set of data objects that are needed to support the business. In process modeling, the data objects defined in the data modeling phase are transformed to achieve the information flow necessary to implement a business function. Processing descriptions are created for adding, modifying, deleting, or retrieving a data object. Next phase is construction. Construction phase highlighting the use of pre-existing software components. RAD assumes the use of fourth generation techniques rather than creating software using conventional third generation programming languages. The RAD process works to reuse existing program components whenever possible or create reusable components when necessary. Then last phase is deployment. After testing, integration, delivery and feedback performance or activities are done. Actually, many of the program components have already been tested, so this reduces the overall testing time. However, new components must be tested and all interfaces must be fully exercised during the deployment time. There are some drawbacks for RAD model. For large but scalable project, RAD requires sufficient human resources to create the right number of RAD teams. If developers and customers are not committed to rapid fire activities necessary to complete the system in much abbreviated time frame, R&D project will fail. If a system cannot properly modularized, building the components necessary for rapid RAD will be problematic.